everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. If you're new, remember to subscribe and stay with me till the end, because in this video I'm going to be telling you how to maintain your health and fitness journey when you're going on a vacation. That's a fear that a lot of you have, and especially with holiday seasons around the corner, you don't need to be really frazzled about the fact that can I really go on a vacation or is it going to upset the whole routine. So stay with me right till the end. And the reason I'm able to share this with you is I've been doing this for the past 30 years, and initially I had the same fears where I wasn't sure really if I could maintain my weight and maintain my body when I went on vacation, especially when on a vacation we want to eat buffets and ice creams and chocolates and things like that. So it took me many years for me to understand that a vacation is good, it's needed. And actually, if you go to see, the vacation that we all take once a year or once in a couple of years are actually rejuvenating, not only for the body but mainly for the mind. Why? Because we spend a lot of quality time with either our friends that we go to with or with our family. So don't get worked up about the fact that will you gain weight or how will you manage your health. There is something called the 80-20 principle. When you go on vacation, if you have looked after your diet 80% of the times, if you have walked tremendously, or if you've done some 30-40 minute quick workout in your hotel room, then you're actually doing the same things that you're going to do at home. It's actually, for me, I feel that it's a state of the mind where people think that I cannot maintain my weight. Now, if you think that my weight will gain when I go on vacation, then the weight will gain. So I'm a strong believer of mind programming, and if you set that intention before you go on vacation and say that yes, come what may, I will maintain my weight, then you're good to go. Of course, there are a lot of action points that you also need to consider. One of the most important thing is mind programming. When you reprogram your mind that come what may, you will do a few things and you will not do a few things. Once that intention is set, then the goal becomes easier. And what is one of the most important intention that you set? The most important intention that you need to set is that you're going to do portion control. When you're on a vacation, there are a lot of temptations of street foods, buffets, a lot of sweets, a lot of desserts. Now, if you set that intention that I can eat everything but in very small quantities, that way you're not depriving yourself. You're not depriving yourself, and still you're not gaining that weight that you've actually worked towards. So this is what I call mindful choices. We all have a lot of choices in our lives. The choices that we actually take is what will make our bodies, what will make health, what will create a good healthy lifestyle for us. So vacations are also not all about weight gain. According to me, vacations are also about stress reduction. In our day-to-day lives, we get so busy, whether you're working professional or you're homemaker, or like me, you're working from home. It becomes so busy from the time I wake up till the time I go to sleep. And I really see vacation as a stress reduction tool where I go switch off, detox, digital detox. Sometimes I actually even detox from my body and I do not do the workouts. Vacations are also really refreshing and are really accessible for your mind, very, very good for your mind. And the vacation can also become a health priority. So if you've not created health as a priority in your life, then in the free time that you get in your vacation, you can actually create this as a priority. And even if you went for 5-6 days and you created that priority for yourself, then possibly when you come back, you will continue with the health routine even in your busy schedule. So look at vacations as a very positive tool, positive thing to do where it comes to your health and fitness journey. Of course, the type of food that you eat, the type of workouts that you do, the holidays, the kind of holidays that you plan are also important. So if you're on this health and fitness journey, please try to avoid holidays which involves a lot of food, which involves you seated in some places for a long time. Take these holidays where you go on treks, where you eat more spiritual food, where you detox your body, where you detox your mind. So health and holidays are actually really good. They have really helped me to prioritize my mind, and I want you to know that if you prioritize your mind even in the holiday, then you will learn to reprogram your mind even when you come back. So holidays are all about mind programming, prioritizing, and making it easy not only for yourselves but also for your priority. If you are also for your family. If you really like this video, I want you to click on the like button. I want you to subscribe to my channel, and most important, share it. And if this is the kind of mentoring and coaching that you're really looking for, all I want you to do is go to the description box, click on my free masterclass that I have. It's only for 90 minutes and it's free. Come there and I'll give you many more ideas to make health your priority.